seize my vehicle is absolutely illegal. If it is the illegal, then I'm suffering the business. Now
We disbursed 16,80,000 to them.
Hmm.
When they defaulted, the amount stood at 12 lakhs and odd. We are not even getting the principal amount that we gave them. Where will we give the parking charges from?
Where is the order recorded in the DRT's order?
As per the loan agreement,
Yes.
the borrower is liable to pay all costs.
This is over. Yes, next matter.
I'm for the petitioner lordship. Last occasion, lordship, kindly remember, recollect that the lordship directed me to serve. You are appearing for the bank.
Yes, I am appealing for the bank here.
Yes, lordship directed me to serve the copy lordship order and upon the bank that I have served. And on service, he is appearing. So lordship, the affidavit service I am placing lordship.
I am for Bank of India, Your Honor.
Lordship, my grievance against the bank is that
What
I
is
am
your prayer?
lordship, my fear is that the proceeding under that process, they have hijacked my vehicle on the road without due process of law. So they have seized my vehicle is absolutely illegal. If it is the illegal, then I'm suffering the business. Now I have paid the all bank on the bank approved before the debt recovery tribunal. Debt tribunal directed to pay the balance amount. I paid the entire, now no dues, and the no dues certificate issued in favor of me. And I have proved no due certificate to the bank concern. Now bank concern saying go to the Jharkhand and collect your vehicle and the vehicle the
Parking fees.
Yes, Your Honor.
Parking
Yes,
fees.
Your Honor.
parking
Why
fee.
will after you have accepted all money from the petitioner, why will he pay
Let
the
me
parking
clarify,
fees?
Your Honor. We disbursed 16,80,000 to them.
Hmm.
When they defaulted, the amount stood at 12 lakhs and odd. Plus uncharged interest plus cost. We did an urgent application in DRT. They wanted to settle. They wanted to settle at 4 lakhs. They gave us 4 lakhs and they wanted to settle the account. We accepted the 4 lakhs and we said we are sacrificing 8.50 lakhs plus interest plus cost, including legal charges. So we are not getting anything. We are not even getting the principal amount that we give them. Where will we give the parking charges from?
Where is the order recorded in the DRT's order? Where is this direction recorded that the petitioner will be liable to pay the parking charges?
As per the loan agreement,
Yes.
the borrower is liable to pay all costs.
This is over.
Yes,
The
this is
matter
over.
ended in the DRT.
Yes,
You issued a no liability certificate,
yes.
which means you do not have any liability, which includes parking charges. How can you get over it?
we told them clearly.
Your telling will not
Lord,
do.
My lord, bolte
What's
hobe.
my lord?
हाँ, my lord.
Your telling will not do. Some direction has to be there from the DRT.
My lord,
So it's all right.
we gave them a letter that the
Your letter will not do. Show me the order of DRT.
Page 30.
we have not the order between we need.
The copy of this one আমি সাবই upon you.
কপিটা পুরো আমার কাছে আসেনি ব্যাংক থেকে।
কেন? In twice it was served upon the bank.
আমার কাছে একটা সফট কপি দিলে আমি রিটার্ন করে দেবো।
Suppose this petitioner would not have paid you the 4 lakh of rupees. What would you have done?
We have just sold the vehicle and
How much would you have got?
that I cannot say.
Right? You would not have got more than 4 lakh. And that is the reason you settled for 4. The submission that you are making that you did not get the principal amount is of no use. You should have verified his credentials prior to giving loan, which you have not. He doesn't have the means to repay it. What is to be done?
He was paying when the
Now forget it. If it is there, it is mentioned that the applicant bank has received full and final settled amount towards their dues. So you will be bound to release the vehicle. And it is for you to pay the parking charges and whatever is there.
As per the loan agreement,
Your loan agreement ended with the order of the tribunal. How soon can you release the vehicle?
and I have to take instruction regarding that. I cannot.
Please come.
Rashid, one thing is that I have took loan 16 lakhs. I have paid prior to the initial depositing 12 lakhs 90,000. After that, I have paid 4 lakhs. It is not amicable settle. That realize the entire amount from me.
No,
Loan amount was 16 lakhs. Vehicle.
No, but then you did not pay the interest. Your loan amount is 16. You pay 16. What
No,
about
no,
the interest?
12 lakhs 90,600 I have paid prior to that. After that, they have a settlement of 4 lakhs. So ultimately, they realize the entire awarded amount. And because of
Oh,
law
whatever.
under the CGM policy,
The
I cannot be declared the NPA.
the petitioner prays for a direction upon the Bank of India, being the respondent number 3 herein, to release the vehicle which was hypothecated to the bank. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the order dated 14th of June 2019, passed by the Kolkata Debts Recovery Tribunal number 2 in OA 208/2017, within bracket Bank of India versus Khurshid Ahmed Parvez. Page number 30, spelling. The tribunal clearly recorded that the applicant bank received the full and final settled amount of rupees 4 lakh towards their dues up to the full satisfaction of the bank. Stop. Despite receipt of the due amount, the vehicle of the petitioner cannot be released as the parking charges of rupees 3,33,330 has been claimed by the garage where the vehicle of the petitioner has been parked. Stop. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the bank submits that the amount that was repaid by the petitioner did not include the parking charges. Stop. The said charges are required to be paid separately over and above the amount of rupees 4 lakh which was submitted. Paragraph. The court is not inclined to accept such submission made on behalf of the bank. Stop. Paragraph. The order of the tribunal clearly records that a petition supported by an affidavit affirmed by the manager of the bank was filed, disclosing that the bank has received the entire settled amount towards full and final settlement of the dues. Stop. There is not a single word mentioned with regard to the parking charges to be paid separately by the petitioner for releasing the vehicle. Stop. Paragraph. It is the legitimate expectation of the petitioner that on payment of the settled amount, the vehicle in question will be released by the bank. Stop. It was, it is the bank who kept the vehicle in the garage. Stop. The petitioner does not have any agreement with the garage. Stop. It is for the bank to settle the matter with the garage and not direct the petitioner to pay the parking charges separately. Stop. Paragraph. If the bank was of the opinion that the parking charges were liable to be paid by the petitioner separately, then the same ought to have been mentioned in the petition filed before the tribunal, and the same should have been reflected in the order of the tribunal. Stop. The petition of the bank and the order of the tribunal both are silent over the issue. Stop. The same implies that the bank, upon full satisfaction of their dues, including the parking charges, was agreeable to get the dispute settled and the loan amount closed. Paragraph. At this stage, the bank cannot turn around and request the petitioner to collect the vehicle from the garage directly upon payment of parking charges. Paragraph. In view of the above, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent number 3 to take steps for immediate release of the vehicle of the petitioner, bearing number WB 37C hyphen 7986. Stop. The vehicle shall positively be released by October 4th, 2024. Affidavit of service taken on record. Did you file your wakalatnama?
Yes, I have it right here.
You have not filed it.
No,
Why?
I received it yesterday evening, so I could not.
You have to file it today.
Yes, I will. I will to file it today.
No, it's not I will. You ought to have done it prior to moving, and you should have disclosed it before the court that you are appearing without a wakalatnama, which you did not. Leave granted to the advocate of the respondent number 3 to file the wakalatnama in the department in the course of the day. What is your name?
Aritra Kumar Roy,
Where do you sit?
East India House.
You are not a member of the bar association.
Yes, Your Honor.
This bar association,
Yes, Your Honor.
you are a member.
I have the card.
You do not have to show the card. Your submission is enough. ঠিক আছে?
Disposed of, or matter will be disposed of the writ petition.
Yes.
I move that.
15.
I am for the petitioner. I have service not complete, Lordship. I am praying for
Service not complete.